Brian Gordon had his car repaired at Simpsons' garage last week. But this morning, he couldn't get it started, so he decided to call the garage.
Simpsons Garage, Service Department. May I help you?
This is Brian Gordon. You did some work on my car last week.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
Well, I still have the same problem you were supposed to fix. The car wouldn't start this morning. I couldn't even get it to turn over. I had to take a taxi to work.
Let's see. That was an electrical problem, wasn't it?
I guess so. That's what you told me anyway. But whatever the problem was, it's still there. And I just paid you almost $150 to fix it.
I'm sorry you're still having problems. Why don't you bring the car in and we'll take a look at it?
But I just told you, I can't bring it in. It won't start. You're going to have to send a tow truck.
I'm sorry, we don't have one here right now. If you'll just call—
Wait a minute! It's not my fault the car won't start, and I don't think I should have to call a tow truck and pay another $30 or $40 just because.
I can understand you're upset, Mr.
Gordon? Brian Gordon. Listen, this is causing me a lot of inconvenience. It's up to you to get the car to the shop.
All right, Mr. Gordon. I'll tell you what, I'll figure out some way to get a tow truck out to you, but it may take a while. Where's the car located?
In front of my house, right where I parked it last night. 36 Maple Drive. There's a set of keys under the floor mat. On the driver's side.
Okay, we'll have it towed in, and I'll have a mechanic take a look at it right away. I'm sorry for all the trouble.
All right. You have my number at work.
Yes. I'll give you a call as soon as we find out what the trouble is. And once again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Well, these things happen. I guess. I'll be waiting to hear from you.